Winter in Michigan can cause problems on your car, especially if you don't take care of an issue properly this time of year. Today, we're checking out what you need to do to make sure your car is ready for winter. And joining us now is Mat Kostrezewa. He is a certified technician at Bowman Chevrolet. Good morning, and thank you for being here with us.
Good morning. How are you doing this morning?
I am wonderful, thank you. Looking forward to your tips. But first, why don't you take us through a checklist walkthrough that people should know before winterizing our cars?
Well, first and foremost is your tires, because that's what's going to meet the road, especially during slippery, icy conditions. 230 seconds, which a simple trick is a penny, and the head of Lincoln can be shown on that. But typically, when you get down to about 430 seconds or below that, you really need to start paying attention highly to your tires. Another thing are windshield wipers. Keep an extra gallon of washer solvent in the car, because of course, if we can't see as we're driving down the road, we're only a hazard to everybody else that's on the road as well. So
if you have four-wheel drive, how important is it that your tires are ready to go for winter?
Two or four-wheel drive, it really doesn't matter. It's very important that all our tires are, like I said, 230 seconds is a bare minimal. 430 seconds, you need to start worrying about it. And there's even charts that you can look online that as your tires go down in 30 seconds, that your stopping distance goes down. So with slippery and icy roads, we're going to have less and less stopping distances with less tread on our tires.
And I know you said the penny trick is a good one. I know I've done that before to check my tires. Is there any other tricks or anything else that people need to know in order for them to get new tires if need be?
All tires are built with a factory wear bar, and it's a little repeating bar that's between the treads. So if you can see that bar is even with the tread on your tire, you know that they have to be replaced. But that is like the bare minimal. So even if you see it coming up to that point, you want to replace them ahead of time or schedule a time to get those replaced.
Now let's talk about car batteries. What should people do before the temperatures drop to make sure that their batteries are good to go?
Typical life of a battery nowadays is about 5 years. So if you know that you have a vehicle that's about 4 or 5 years old, you can even have it tested if you go in for an oil change this time of year. The colder temps tend to put a strain on the battery, and this is when we see most of them starting to go bad. So if you notice things like your car is cranking a little bit slower, it takes longer to start, then there's going to have issues that you need to be pre-warned about your battery. But there's no technical way that a homeowner can test their battery.
And checking that, and also checking your fluids, make sure you're good on windshield wiper. Oil is huge, right? Now, what should people include in their winter safety kits? I know some people carry these. I know I got a couple things in my car personally, but what do you recommend?
I mean, typically, if we slide off the side of the road, we don't know that our cars can still be running or not. So it's good to have a blanket in there. We always say a bottle of water, but in the wintertime it could freeze. But, you need to have like just some food, some water. You can get like a little hazardous car care kit. It should have like jumper cables, warning like flags or something if you're off the side of the road. And there's different kits that you can buy, but just a generalized little car care kit comes in a small package that can be put in the car. And then just some generalized food and a blanket if you were on the side of the road for a while. We have to think if we slide off the side of the road and it's snowing that you're not the only person. There might be 30 or 40 other people on the side of the road. So you might be sitting there for a while before a tow truck can come along.
All right. If people have more questions, where can they go?
They're more than welcome, whatever brand manufacturer they are. We're a Chevy dealership. You can reach out to us. But if you have any questions, generally any car facility should be able to answer any questions, or you can call or stop by at any point in time.
All right, Mat Kostrezewa, Bowman Chevrolet, thanks for being here with us this morning.
Yep. Take care. Have a great holiday.
You too.